Okay, you guys, this is my OG Sharpay with the tinsel, and I definitely need to cut the ear tabs because these are squishing my ears. So what we're going to do is I've got it on, how I'm going to wear it, and then I want to show you. Can you see where my ear, top of my ear is right here? Okay, I'm going to take this. This is, I don't know what this is. This is a China marker. Got it from my husband's garage. Okay, I'm just going to go like this and see if I can do this here. The string's distracting me. OCD, OCD. Okay. I'm just gonna make a line like that. Can you guys see that? That's right at my ear level, okay? And then we're gonna do this on this side. This is still scary to do, you guys, for me. This is like the second time I've done this, so. Okay, so there's the top of my ear. So we're going to go like that, okay? All right, so let's take this off. Now you're going to see right there, I have that line. Okay, so I'm just going to continue that straight across. And so there you can see that, okay? And then on this side, right there. So we're just going to continue that straight across. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to take the fiber, and this is where I really want you guys to see this, because I know people were showing me and I was like, what do you do? Like, how do you not cut the hair at the back? Okay, so there's my line. So what I want to do is I want to pull, like separate the hairline there. Okay, so there's my line right there. And then what I've done is you want to go straight to this thing here. You don't want to cut into anything else here because then it'll open the, what do you call it? The cap. Okay, so I'm just going to separate this. So it's just going to be this little bit of hair here. And you're not even going to miss that, you guys. 100% you're not going to miss that. Okay, and you want to make sure you have this hair pulled out of the way so you don't cut that, okay? And then you want to use some sharp scissors. And then you're going to let's get this in the right spot here, you guys. Okay, then you're just going to make sure you have it all separated. This is hard to do like this. And you just want to cut along that line. So that line that I have there. Okay, so right up to there. And then I'm just going to cut this little piece off here. If I can get my fingers coordinated here. So it's really not going to be much. And you just want to cut right along that edging. See? So that's all I've lost. Not a big amount. I'm going to put that about right there. Okay, let's do this side. So same thing. You guys see where I have my line. Put my scissors down for a second so I don't stab myself. Okay, and then you just want to kind of separate the fibers from what you're cutting and what you're keeping. You kind of got to hold your tongue right at the same time. Okay. So about like that little bit there. So now I'm going to go to where this white line is that I just drew. You guys saw me draw. See if I can do this. You see me? Right up to there, right up to that seam. Don't go into that. Okay, and then what you want to do is cut that little bit off. And there you go. So now I have cut the part that is sitting on my ears off. So let's put this one back on. Just want to make sure I get any of the little hairs that may still be straggling from cutting. See, you're gonna get some like that, and that's okay, you guys. That is 100% okay. There is so much hair on these things. that you have the luxury to do that, okay? So let's put this one back on. Let's get these things untangled out of the combs so they don't drive me nuts after. Okay, get it back up to my hairline. And just like that, look you guys, it's not on my ear anymore. Now it just sits comfortably over my ear. Can you see that? And so now the pressure is off my ear, so that's amazing. And then if you want to leave it like this, you can, or you can get some adhesive or tape and just tape that down, and then that's not going anywhere. I hope that was a little bit more clear. But seriously, you're not going to miss this little bit of hair. And oh, does that feel so much better now. Okay, love you guys. Happy Friday.